Panasonic's PhotoMOS HE14A and HE-SOP14A series relays are optically isolated, high-capacity relays that can be used to replace mercury or mechanical relays in security equipment, fire prevention systems, industrial machines, and thermostat applications. The HE14A high-capacity series features a compact DIP package with a continuous load current rating up to 3.5 amps AC or DC, or 7 amps using a DC-only connection. The HE-SOP14A series has a miniature SOP package and a load current rating up to 3.3 amps, or 6.6 amps using a DC-only connection, and both series offer options with load voltage ratings up to 100 volts. The relays have typical on resistance as low as 33 milliohms, and off-state leakage current is rated at just 1 microamp. Panasonic's HE14A and HE-SOP14A series PhotoMOS high-capacity relays ensure long life, stable resistance, and low power consumption, while providing 1500 volts RMS isolation between the input and output.